Hi guys, Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Just wanted to give you an unboxing demo of the Pride Mobility GoGo Elite Traveler 4-wheel. This is model number SC44E. It takes no tools to assemble it. You take a box cutter and a pair of scissors to open up the box. First you want to go ahead and cut the straps. Then we're just going to open up around the tape, follow it all the way around, across and down. You want to be nice about taking it out, because if the scooter doesn't work for you, or if you want to return it for any reason, you need to have the original package. So it's very straightforward. The first thing you see when you open it is this piece of paper. It tells you to stop and read this first. This is your safety information. Your user manual is right on top as well. We're going to set those off to the side. Here's your battery pack. Your front basket with your interchangeable colored panels. The scooter ships blue. The scooter ships red. However, these are your blue panels that you can take off with these. No tools required again. Charger is in this box. You have your pair of armrests. Your seat post. Here's our seat. Knob I discussed was right here. This adjusts the angle, so it shifts like this. You loosen this knob up and then just bring it up to here. And I just took off the bag, as you see. I suggest 2 people take this out. I'm going to pull it out on my own. I'm a strong guy and I can lift this. But you can grab it by a handle here and at the tiller, and you can lift straight up. Take the box out of the way. Put her down. And I can go ahead and set everything up, drive off the plastic. So I'm going to take my seat post. It's got holes for a desired height. You just kind of match the holes up into this outside hole here on the black. I need the pin, so I have to go over to my user manual bag, and there's 2 different size pins. We're going to use the fatter pin for this purpose. And actually in a bag inside of a bag with the key and the pins. So I'm just going to take my fatter pin and I'll line up the hole, push it through to the other side. I'm going to put on my battery pack. Again, no tools required, just make sure this packaging's out of the way. Seat, still have to unpackage this. I'll do it on camera. The nipple on the bottom side goes into the top of the seat mount. To do a test to make sure that's on correct, there's a lever on the right hand side. Pull up towards the top pull up towards the bottom of the seat, and you can rotate. So if it locks into place each time you move it, you know it's on correct. Now, armrests. Armrests are very important. A lot of people don't discuss the importance of putting in the safety pins on the armrest on the Pride Mobility scooter. You want to back these knobs up, and again, it has holes where those pins can slide and adjust. You want to put those in so that they lock into place, because over time these knobs, they will loosen up, and then you're going to determine that there's a little wiggle, so you have to come back and keep tightening it up. If you don't pay attention to it, your armrest may fall off. You want to use these pins as safety guidelines a safety feature, as a safety to lock it in place. That's one, lock in place. Now, I can go ahead and put my front basket on and use the key to turn on the scooter. Now if I go to the back of the unit, there's a little yellow lever here. I can press that to put it in neutral. I can roll this off the plastic. One other thing, there's a lock on the front end. If you notice, the wheels don't turn. So you want to make sure that this exclamation mark is facing the right way. So you press in and turn counterclockwise half a turn, and that unlocks the tiller. You can sit in the scooter one of two ways. You can step over it like I just did, or you can get on it from the side, turn, and sit. We turn on our scooter. Oh, it's beeping. There's something wrong. It's not something wrong. It's because the brake on the back side of the scooter wasn't engaged. You want to make sure that this is in the drive position in order for the scooter to operate. You turn the scooter on. Press with your right thumb to make it go forward. Press with your left thumb to make it go backward. This is your speed. This is your speed. This is your battery indicator. So you make your speed adjustment here. You have the turtle and the rabbit. All the way to the left is the slowest. All the way to the right is the fastest. Depending on how much pressure you apply to the throttle, depends on how fast the scooter can go. I can make the scooter crawl at a slow pace by only pressing in a little bit on the throttle. The user is in full control of how the unit is operated. There is a port right here for ease of access to charge your scooter with the battery pack on the scooter. You can plug the charger in right there. It's a 3-pin XLR. Or you can take the battery pack out and bring it into your home and charge it inside. Open up this flap. There it is. Well guys, in this next video I'm going to give a little review about the Pride Mobility GoGo Elite Traveler mobility scooter, model number SC44E. You can view this again on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. Thank you for watching.